Alright, I wanted to do a brief video on this military grade switch. Here's the information on the side, on and on. 7664K5. Pause it if you need some more info on it. So it says it's on this side. I guess if the switch is up, it's on this side. If it switches over here. So what I did, it appears like this center row will be either connected to this side or this side, depending. So I have my meter set up in diode mode. So the switch is tilted up. So anything on this side will be connected. So the bottom. Top now, nothing. Nothing, nothing. Alright, so I guess if you have 4 wires and you want them to either connect, depending on where this switch is connected, you have them all go to here first, and then depending on the toggle, it'll either be all of these or all of those. And they're on a, I guess, a one-to-one relationship, because I don't think it goes side to side. Nope. Yep. So these, I guess, would be always kind of hot, while these are depending on the way the switch is thrown. Anyway.